Hi, in this video today we're going to be doing a review of the Philips fabric shaver here. I've just used this on another video expecting it not to work very well, and I was surprised. It works amazingly well. So historically I've always used a razor and then I use a lint brush after that to pick up. You can see this is the remains of what we did on the other video. This works amazingly quickly and it's very cheap. So it was bought for just under £15. It collects all the bits of fabric that's been shaved off in this nice little container here, so you can empty that into the bin, and it even comes with 2 batteries and it's got a 2-year guarantee. I don't know how long it's going to stay sharp for. If you were to use it lots, you might find it going blunt after a few months, but if it's got a 2-year guarantee, then in theory you should be able to get that sorted. Now, it's not something I'm going to be using all the time because I wouldn't want to wear through the jumpers, but I've got one of my favourite jumpers here. It's a nice jumper, it's worth saving. It's super fine lamb's wool, but unfortunately it's getting very bobbly around here. I'll zoom in and show you that in a minute, and this will remove it nice and quickly. So 2 batteries go in here. It's nice and straightforward. It's labelled up how to do it: negative, positive, and then this goes on here. There's only 1 speed, and there's just a cover here. The cover is for more delicate fabrics, so you would put it on there if you were doing a very delicate fabric. On this, I am just going to use it without the cover. And if you look very closely, there's 3 different sizes of holes, so it will collect different little bubbles. So we have the big ones here, medium, and very small on the inside there. It also comes with a little brush to allow cleaning. So every so often you would need to take this apart here. It unscrews, and we have access now to the blades in there. Obviously don't cut yourself when you do that. Right, let's show you it working. So I'm going to zoom in and hopefully we can get this jumper looking nice again. You've got to make sure that the fabric's nice and flat. You don't want to be going over any embroidery. You want to be careful of loose threads, and don't do zips or anything like that. So if you have a look here, we have loads of bubbles all around these areas here. So let's give it a go. I can already see that that looks so much nicer than the bit next to it. Can you see the difference between here and here? Look at that. Right, let's do this bit here. Keeping it nice and flat. Obviously don't press too hard. The harder you press, the more fabric you're going to take off. You just want to do it lightly so you're only getting the bubbles and not the fabric itself. Right, so this is the area I've done here. And I'm not sure if it's going to come across in the camera, but this area here looks a lot nicer than this area here. So we've still got lots of bubbles here, but this area is nice and flat. And the proof is going to be in what it's collected in here. Well, there you go. It's absolutely full. Look at that in there. Unbelievable. That's collected absolutely loads. Right, let's move on to a different material, and hopefully the other one that I've got is like a Primark hoodie, so the quality is not there, and you'll be able to see it's got different colour bubbles on, so you'll be able to see them getting removed better. So here we have a white Primark hoodie. Yes, it's only cheap, but it's a shame to throw it away when the rest of it's okay. So the rest of it's fine here. It's just in the hood here, we've got loads and loads of bubbles around the place, especially around the edge here, because I often have a little bit of stubble and it rubs against here. So if you have a look here, can you see how worn it is all the way around here? It makes it look dirty when in fact it's not dirty. So let's use it on this and see how it works. It's going to be harder to put this one flat, but hopefully we can manage it around here. So this is a good example here. Can you see there's all black bits here? Well, there you go. I don't know if it's come across in the camera, but that is fully wearable again now. So especially now with so much fast fashion around, cheap fast fashion, you know that the quality isn't there. But something like this will hopefully get more life out of your items. Look at that there. It's so much better. And again, if you have a look in here, look at it. You can see the amount that is picked up. Absolutely loads. So yeah, thoroughly happy with that one. Obviously, it's a YouTube video, so if you would like to buy one of these, there will be affiliate links down in the description below. I think it is a bit of a bargain for £15. Can't comment on battery life. I don't think it's going to last too long. If you're concerned, you could always put rechargeable batteries in, and then you're saving the planet that way, and also saving the planet by getting more life out of your clothing. Thank you so much for watching.